Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to be showing us today how to fix a zipper fly on a trouser. So the measurements for this is I've used 2.5 inches, or you can use 2 inches if you prefer. And this is 9 inches. Same thing with this one. This is 9 inches, and this is 2.5 inches. This is a zipper I'm going to be using. It's a 9-inch zipper. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put the zipper on so we can mark where the zipper stops. So it stops here, so I'll just notch it. The next thing we'll do is, so this line that I've just knit, I would sew this line from where we notched it. Next thing I'll do is I'll take the single piece and then open one side of the trouser. So the left side is where the single piece would stay on. So I'll put this like so, and then I will sew this down in place. Okay, so now I'm going to top stitch this bit. I'm going to take the zipper, so this is the right side, as you can see. I'll turn it so it's like right side facing. I will put it on here like so, and this edge like this, and then I'm going to start sewing this down in place. And I'm also using a zipper foot. I'll take this bit, put it like this, and then sew this part down in place. So I would sew this cover up on it. And then finally, I will do this bit, put this on. So this is how the finished trouser looks like. So I open it up and close it. So nicely and neatly done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so when I post any upcoming videos you get notified. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.